Python-based data analysis for Atelier Grand Hotel. So Atelier Grand, a leading hotel chain in India, was experiencing decline revenue, increase in competition, and drop in a market share. To address this challenge, the management decided to analyze the historical booking data to gain business-driven insight and support data-backed decision making. As a business analyst, my role was to analyze the available data using Python, identify the key issue, and provide statistical insight and strategic recommendation to help improve business performance. Using the business problem, the primary business problem identify where decline revenue across multiple hotel locations, rising competition from other hotel chain, reduced market position in a certain cities. The goal was to understand why revenue and occupancy were declined and identify the actionable strategies to improve performance. Data collection. The data was sourced from the hotel booking database, which included hotel, retail, room category, booking platforms, booking dates, revenue metric, and aggregated booking data. The data engineer had already performed the ETL, extract, transform, load, and process, and stored the clean data in a database. I received the data in Excel format for the analysis. The data set was in a normalized form, meaning redundant data was minimized, data integrity was maintained, large unstructured data set were divided into smaller relatable tables. Exploratory data analysis. I began with exploratory data analysis using Python libraries such as Pandas and NumPy. The key step included viewing the data set using head to understand the structure, checking the data set dimension using shape, rows, and columns, analyzing the unique value in a room category and booking platforms, counting the numbers of bookings per platforms and hotel visualization booking trend using line chart and bar plot. This analysis helped us identify major booking platform, booking behavior pattern, and overall data distribution using describe function. I examined mean, median, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum value, potential data inconsistency, and outlier. During data cleaning, I identified several issues. Invalid case some record showed negative case value, that is 17, since negative cases are not logically possible. This way treated as a data entry error. As the number of such records was very small, they were removed using conditional filtering. Even after removing this error, the data set still contained over more than 134,000 valid record, ensuring data reliability. Revenue outlier. Extremely high revenue values were detected that were unrealistic for a single day booking. To handle this, I applied the standard deviation method to calculate upper and lower limit. Record exceeding the upper limit were treated as an outlier and removed. This helped maintaining a statistical accuracy without distorting business's site revenue realized. Analysis. While analyzing revenue realized, some high value initially appeared as an outlier. However, further investigation showed this value belonged to the premium room category, so that is a presidential suites. Since this price were legitimate, they were retained in a data set. Missing rating. Using is-null function, I identify around 7,000 missing hotel rating. This indicates that many customers did not leave feedback. While rating cannot be forced, this insight highlighted the need for better post-stay engagement incentives or marketing strategies to encourage the customer review. Data transformation. After cleaning, I prefer data transformation to create a meaningful business metric. One key metric was occupancy percentage, which is a critical in the hotel industry. The formula for that is occupancy percentage is equal to successful booking divided by total capacity into 100. A new column OCC-PCT was created using a lambda function. This enabled efficient calculation across the dataset. Occupancy percentage helped assess utilization strength and weakness across the hotel and cities. Coming to the ad hoc analysis, using the transformed data, I conducted several ad hoc analysis, occupancy rate by city and room category, comparison of occupancy between the cities, Delhi versus Bangalore, identification of low occupancy cities requiring a target marketing, weekday versus weekend occupancy analysis. Key insight, weekday occupancy was significantly lower than the weekend occupancy, indicating an opportunity for weekday focused promotion. Business insight and recommendation. Based on the analysis, the following recommendation uh, were made. Weekday promotion, introducing special week offers to increase the occupancy. City-specific marketing, focusing marketing effort on lower performance cities like Bangalore, allocating more budget to high performance region. Booking platform optimization, promoting direct booking through the hotel-owned platforms, reducing dependency on third-party booking platform to save commission cost. Customer feedback strategy, encouraging rating through a post-stay email, discount, or loyalty rewards. Revenue optimization, focusing on premium room category during the peak demand periods, using dynamic pricing strategies based on the demand and trend. Coming to the conclusion, this Python-based data analysis project helped transform raw booking data into clear business insight by combining EDA, data cleaning, transformation, and statistical analysis. The project provides actionable recommendation to improve revenue occupancy and market positioning. Thank you for watching. Until next time.